So let me show you the before. Look how dirty this is. I'm at the car wash here. Look at this. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Like I said, don't move to Texas, man. This is what happens. That's crazy. Alright. We'll do it. Car is back, baby. You know, I'm really thinking about starting my own cleaning business someday. Start my own car wash. I've looked into it a few times, you know. There you go. Clean. Yeah. That's how it's done. Get the other side over here. This is the wide angle in order to capture the whole car. Go. Clean. Put a little bit of tire shine on. No more dirt. You can see my reflection. That's how sparkling clean it is. Yeah, I'm thinking about starting my own cleaning business someday. You know what I'm saying? That's how it's done. So I just wanted to show like a little before and after. That's how you clean it, baby. Yeah.